Hi, Joel Simmons here for another 2-minute turf talk. If you soil test but once a year, this is probably the best time of year to do it. I get the question all the time, if I could test once a year, what would be the best time? And really the answer is it doesn't matter as long as you're consistent. But doing it in the fall gives you a chance to review the soil report through the winter and get ready for next spring. So you have time to make applications, to make amendments, to change the soil chemistry, to do all the basic things during the winter months so you can be set up for a better spring. So take a look at the soil sample. We use Logan Labs, our business partner in the laboratory industry. We've been using them for many years. We do about 17,000 soil tests for these folks every single season. And what this soil test tells us is some basic core chemistry. We're big believers in the base saturation. So if you look at this section down below and you balance your core chemistry so that calcium and magnesium and potassium are fairly well balanced so that your base saturation reads something to the effect of 68-12-5, you're going to open up the soil physically and you're going to create a better environment for biology. And remember, our core conversation has always been about biological soil management. So as we know, if we get the chemistry balanced correctly, it physically changes some of the soil, especially on the higher CEC soils. Now, if your soil is a lower CEC, you're a sand-built soil, or golf course green, or a soccer field that was built out of sand, you're going to want to look at the paste extract. And what this tool does is it tells us of what's on the colloid, how much is actually in solution. And by studying this paste extract, we can start to see what nutrients are deficient and what the plant is seeing and what it's not seeing. If you have any questions on how to read a soil test or how to perform a soil test, please give one of the agronomists at Earthworks a call. We'd be happy to walk you through it, and pay attention to our website because we're going to have the Soil First Academy posted up there one of these days very soon. We'll talk about how to read a soil test. We have a podcast with Bill McKibben as well that helps you go through reading a basic soil test. So again, this is a perfect time of year to do your soil tests, get them into the lab, review the soil report, get ready for next spring by making the appropriate applications right now. Thank you.